and welcome to my video on wildlife photography. Wildlife photography is a genre that is all about capturing wild animals in their natural habitats. From birds and insects to reptiles and mammals, there's always something new and exciting to discover. But what about animals in captivity, like pets or those animals in zoos? This can be a tricky subject for wildlife photographers. Some people think that these should be included in the wildlife photography genre, whilst others disagree. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you're thinking about entering a wildlife photography competition, it's worth remembering that most competitions won't consider pets or zoo animals as wildlife. So make sure you read the terms and conditions before submitting your images. Being a wildlife photographer is not just about getting a great shot. It's also about understanding the animal and its habitat. That is why many wildlife photographers are also passionate about conservation and use their images to raise awareness about important issues such as habitat loss and climate change. Being a good wildlife photographer is not just about having the best equipment. It's also about having an understanding of the animal and its environment. You need to know the behavior of the animal, the best time to photograph it, and the best place to shoot it from. Of course, having good quality camera equipment is important, but it's not the only factor. It's also important to note that different types of equipment might be needed depending on the animal that you are photographing. For more information on what equipment you need for wildlife photography, check out the links in the description. Also, make sure you check out my video on the top 10 tips for wildlife photographers. Again, the link is in the description for that. If you have any questions or any thoughts on this topic, make sure you drop them in the comments for me. Other than that, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.